Hi everybody and welcome to the unpacking of the new Honor 50. And I'm very excited about the new Honor 50 because I'm already using the Honor 9X Pro since around about 1.5 years, and I'm pretty much excited about what can the Honor 50 do better, what are the features, and of course what we all want to know, how does it look. So let's jump in quickly and have a look inside the box of the Honor 50. Let's have a quick look. Inside here, of course, it's a cell phone itself, and I have to say, oh my god, yes, that looks awesome. And from the feeling, the haptic, it's pretty much it's stable, it feels metallic, and you feel the glass. And I have to say, to compare it with my old phone, the 9X Pro, it's thinner, the weight is a bit reduced, it's lighter, and it feels more comfortable. The material feels pretty nice. So, and I like the color. So do you see the color? It's a bit bluish, ice bluish. I like this very much, and I hope that, and it is here, sure, it's the needle to open it, but ta-da, highlight. I used the old one which was delivered with the 9X Pro, this transparent cover. I used it all the time because I liked the design of the 9X Pro very much and I wanted to see it. So I will use this one for sure because I guess I mentioned it, I like this one as well, and I want to see it. I don't want a black or stupid cover there. I want a transparent one, and I like that they delivered it right here and I don't have to buy it on my own. So what's inside? It's a charger cable, of course, USB-C. Here are, okay, nice. We have earbuds. That's not usual anymore. That's a cool feature. And of course we have the 66 watt charger here for the USB for the fast charging of the Honor 50. And yeah, ta-da, that's it. So much. And no manual. Menu is digital, what I like, because we don't have to print it in like 63 languages, and you can download it online and in the app. So first impression after the unboxing, I am impressed. I like the haptic and the feeling and all the materials. I'm pretty much excited what the camera will bring and next step. So follow me if you want to see this as well. I am excited about how to transfer the data from my old 9X Pro to the Honor, and I hope it is easy as it was with the 9X Pro. So stay tuned and give me a like and a follow if you want to see it as well. I will do this in my next video, and I will turn on this right now, and we see us in the next video when we transfer data from the old to the new phone. So stay tuned. Hope to see you. Bye bye.